हाँ जी भैया, तो देखो मामला कुछ ऐसा है कि अभी अभी लौटे थे पुष्कर से, होली में रंग और भांग दोनों चढ़ा के। अब आके 2 सांस ही ली थी कि बज गई फोन की घंटी।
हेलो परितोष, यार हम लोग चंद्रशिला जा रहे हैं, दिल्ली से निकल चुके हैं, हमें ऋषिकेश में ज्वाइन करो। कब? हाँ बस दिल्ली से निकल चुके हैं, ऑलरेडी लेफ्ट दिल्ली।
अरे अब अपना क्या है यार, बस्ता उठा के निकलना ही तो है। जिंदगी एक खाली किताब है और इसमें ऐसी कुछ पल तो इसके पन्नों को भरते हैं। तो बस निकल पड़े। पूछो कहाँ? वही एक नई कहानी लिखने। So what is up guys, I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're having a cracker of a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, whatever day you're living. My name is Partha Shan and you already know it, that Desi Who Vlogs, and guess where we are today? Heaven. Call this place heaven because that is a word too less to describe it. Bhai, kya pyara hai yaar yahan pe. Yep, so we are here doing the Chandrashila Chopta trek. This one is so beautiful. I mean like, ये होता है ना यार, कुछ. Make sure you all are subscribed to this channel if you've not done it yet. Just make sure you're a part of this family that the world would definitely know. As a part, and one day we're coming out here, man, making the difference, living the life, living the dream, making people smile, spreading the happiness, spreading the love, spreading the blessings. Oh भाई, ज़्यादा अंग्रेजी हो गई भैया, देख रहे हो? हाँ जी भैया, तो अभी का सीन ऐसा है कि अभी तो वी आर हियर एट बेस कैंप नंबर 1, बट कल रात को वी हैड टू ट्रैक एट नाइट, लेजेंड एट नाइट, मतलब इतने अंधेरे में जंगलों के बीच से वी हैड टू ट्रैक एट नाइट। हाँ जी, तो वी वोक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग टुडे, वेंट टू अ लेक नियर बाय, वॉच्ड अ ब्यूटीफुल सनराइज व्हिच लुक्ड समवट लाइक दिस। I know, it's another level of beauty, I know, it's okay. Now we're gonna go have a breakfast and uske baad heading out to base camp number 2. Really very excited for this. Without any delays, let's get right into it. Where we have to go? अरे वो मजाक तो मत करो हमारे साथ। देखो भाई, दिल को बहलाने के लिए आधा किलोमीटर बोला जा रहा है, आधा किलोमीटर नहीं है। हमारे साथ खेल गए भैया आप तो। Look at this. I was like, सबको बोल रहा था be careful. And guess what happened? Keep following the way, there is a road. Road सामने आ जाओ। Sigh of relief.
I know, I'm it's going to rain.
Seriously, man.
Not what was. Come on, we found the road.
Alright, man. Day 3, we're here at the Tungnath base. You can see it's all snow here. काफी ठंडा है यहाँ पे अभी, and we'll be leaving in about 15 minutes. ऊपर जाएंगे आज. We'll be doing the Tungnath and the Chandrashila trek. This is the final trek, but also one of the most difficult treks, but also one of those treks which will give you one view to remember. अभी तो यहाँ पे पेड़ है काफ़ी कुछ, but ऊपर बर्फ़ है and ऊपर से you get a view which is totally breathtaking. So super excited for it. Let's go. And भैया बात करी जाए कल रात की, it was really very amazing. We had an amazing time sitting together in the bonfire. We had so much fun talking about what went down. A lot of shit went down, man. A lot of shit went down last night. But all in all, every bit of it is a lesson. Every bit of what happens is an experience that you add on to the book of life. And well, let's go and add yet another chapter to this book of life, shall we? That's day 1 right there. Day 2. Flowers. For you all to know, this bell is generally rung all the way up here. But the snow, there you are. Alright man, right there, there's the peak with the Indian flag in it. यहाँ तक आए तो ऊपर तक भी जाएंगे भाई, यहाँ तक आए तो ऊपर तक भी जाएंगे.
Yeah. You ready? Hey! Let's go! Back!
Let's get this in. Come on.
Yo, once again, look at me, dog. I'm putting it down, you picking it up. Checking the models, they want us to go to college just so we can be stuck. Go to school to make a living, or teach yourself to make a fortune. Common sense, welcome to the apocalypse, bitch, I'm one of the horsemen. I don't need your endorsement, I don't need reinforcement. Giving you your last warning, cause I'm at my prime. Yeah.
Made it to the top.
I'm at my,
Made it to the top, man. Look at
I'm
the
at
view.
my prime. Whoa. Have I gone too
Olivia,
far?
क्या plan है?
You to text something
Plan है
different.
slide करने
If you look
का.
inside my head,
देख लो
would you
इसको.
say something?
ये है
If you could get
और अब
me,
वहाँ
you
तक
can
जाके
choose to
slide
say
करते हैं.
what, risk it. It's politics, so old, can't tell, let the dead know they living. Better ask Peter Griffin. You know I like to raise stakes. We was always taught to hit the gas, we ain't even know they made brakes. I don't need your mandate, don't need you to elevate. I'm about to detonate, cause I'm at my prime. Hey, hey, we at our prime. Yeah, I'm at my prime.
Been rolling all the way from the top up. पिछवाड़े की हालत ऐसी होगी ना भैया. Alright, so the morning of day 4 here in Uttarakhand's Chandrashila trek, and man, it's also devastated and distracted at this moment. अभी पैर सूज रखे हैं, हाथ एकदम चल भी नहीं रहे, and it's cold here. But man, you know, needless to say that this was one of those treks that really, you know, left an impression in my life. You know, not for the fact that it was difficult, but for the fact that, you know, it was difficult though. You know, if I were asked the 3 major things that I learned out of this one trek, out of my first mountain peak that I clipped, you know, the first one being that age is just a number. You know, we had a legit kid who was a mere 14 years old, and we had someone who was in his 40s do that Chandrashila peak trek. And I'll tell you, you know, like, it might not seem as difficult, but with the snow as deep as your knees, and when you would look around and all you would see is it becomes difficult, man. And you know, for a fact, that 14-year-old dude, it was such a blessing to see it as well, because you know, he was coping up with all the energy that I had. And I'll tell you, like, to cope up with the kind of energy that I possess in these kind of treks, it's kind of difficult, because you know, I always try to keep myself above my own capabilities. I always try to motivate the other people in my group. I always try to be there for each and every one of them so that they can do it with us. You know, in these treks, we're always in it together, and this is something that I try to deliver as well. And that 14-year-old dude, oh my god, I will like, there were points that I was looking up to him for some motivation, because that trek was difficult, like for real. It was difficult with all the snow and with everything around. It seemed difficult, man. But yes, you know, as I said, age is just a number. Number 2, it's all about the choices you make that defines who you are. You know, we reached the summit, and there was this friend of mine that I made in this trek who handed over his packet of cigarettes and said, okay, this is where I leave it, this is where I quit. And you know, he made a choice to make a difference in his life. He made a choice which will define him from this point and onwards. And I couldn't be more proud of having witnessed that moment. Because you know, if you make a choice which eventually gets you above the one you were yesterday, if you make a choice that makes you a better self than yesterday, nothing beats that. And number 3, success is all about the process. It's all about the journey, and it's never the destination. You know, even though we reached the peak and it was such a feeling that cannot be expressed in words, yet the kind of process that we had, the kind of way, that we all dealt with, the kind of trek that we did, the kind of enthusiasm we had, the kind of moments we had while climbing that peak, that is all what it counts. If when you go back home and think about it, you'll remember those moments more than the final peak. Man, this applies in real life as well. I've seen so many people, they define their success to be a particular destination, and when they do it, they're confining their own self. They're putting a boundary around themselves. It's always good to have goals. It's always good to pen down your goals. It's always good to say I want to be there, but to confine yourself, to put a boundary around yourself and define that boundary to be your success, you'll be limiting your own capabilities. Even you don't know what you're capable of. You never know what boundaries you can cross. So never limit your success. Make it a process, make it a journey, and embrace that journey. Enjoy that process. With that being said, that is it for the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys had a good time. Needless to say that this was one of those trips that will always have a positive impression in my mind and will always have the memories that I'll take back with me wherever I go. Thank you for Travel Tales for making this possible, and thank you to Mr. Sachin for being such an amazing host. Thank you to all of the other people who were in this trek for giving me a new family that I can call, for giving me new memories, for giving me new friends, for giving me new moments that I'll cherish forever. And well, major thanks to all of you people who've been making this possible. I cannot express how grateful I feel. Oh, bhayangkar. Patthar ke upar khada hu bhaiya. Dekho, sorry. I just cannot express how grateful I feel every single second of my life to be coming out here, doing what I love, following the life of my dreams, following my passion. It's just absolutely amazing, man. It's beyond words. Beyond words, trust me when I say it. And with that being said, I will be signing off from 3,000 meters in the air, 3,000 feet, I don't know. Whatever it is, the message remains the same. Smile.